guys, welcome to All Things Apple Plus. As you can see, I am completely jailbroken at the moment, and I'm going to show you in this video how to get the Electra jailbreak. Now, for what the tutorial that I'm showing you, this will work on any firmware up to 11.4 beta 3. So if you are on 11.4, the master version of it right now, you can now downgrade via ispw.me and downgrade your device to that beta version. That way you can still use the jailbreak. So at the moment, as I'm recording this, if you navigate to Tweakbox and you go to their Tweakbox apps, you'll notice that there is an Electra jailbreak 11.3.1, and this is currently version 1.0.2. I believe they're now on 1.0.3, but as I was recording this was an earlier firmware or earlier version. So once you navigate to Tweakbox via Safari and download their application, you can navigate to their app, scroll to their app section, and download the Electra jailbreak. It is an untrusted developer app that you're downloading onto your phone, a third-party app. So you're going to need to navigate to settings, go into general, scroll all the way down to profile and device management, and make sure that you choose, it's like the last option, and make sure that you choose trust on the Electra application. Once you do, then you can navigate back to the Electra app, and you should be able to go ahead and launch it. And instead of saying share Electra, yours should say jailbreak now. And once you jailbreak, all you have to do is just tap that button and it will jailbreak for you. This is a semi-tethered jailbreak, and I'll get to that in a minute. Please make sure that you do have your airplane mode on, that you also do have Siri turned off, that you also have any sort of passcodes or any sort of any sort of passcodes. Just make sure that you have those off. Install tvOS, the actual tvOS 11 beta profile. If you have that profile, which I'll be leaving a link in the description below to get, make sure that you also have that installed onto your device as well too, and then Electra should work. Now, make sure that once you do jailbreak, this is also, know that it is a semi-tether, meaning that once you reboot, it is going to kill the jailbreak and you'll just need to run Electra again. But please, comment, subscribe, let me know if you guys have any problems or issues with this jailbreak. It is a very simple jailbreak. I'll be leaving links in the description below. Check them out. I'll be seeing you soon. Peace.